Hey everybody, today we are at La Mesa RV in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and we are going to look at a Micro Minnie. This is a small size or a mini size travel trailer, and we're looking at the 1800 BH. So let's start on the outside like always. All right, so as you can see, it actually has a full-size awning. Obviously, it's a fairly small, so it's not too big. And it is a powered awning, which is nice. And it's got some LED lights up here, which is awesome, right? Up front here, we have a storage compartment. And look how big that is, right? Look, that is absolutely huge. Now, that's more than likely underneath the bed, but that is a huge storage compartment. And it's nice, it's got the slam latch. Your jacks, your stabilization jacks, they're manual, so you'll have to crank those down. And up here in the front, that right there is a port for propane if you want to hook an outside grill up right there. So we'll move around here. Here's your water intakes, water and cable, and this is power if you want to put a TV out here. That is the back of your fridge. We'll walk around to the back. The spare tire is mounted on the bumper, which is really nice, easy accessible. And this does have a ladder, so it would have a walk-on roof. It's really great to have a ladder attached because you do need to get on your roof and inspect from time to time. And over here is another slam latch door, right? This gives you actually access to storage that's underneath the bunk. So this is great to have because that's a pretty deep cubby back there, and it would be hard to get it all from the inside. So that's gives you some access from the outside. There's your connections. 30 amp. Hey, we just want to give a big shout out to La Mesa for letting us video, and especially Kevin Costa, not Kevin Costner, Kevin Costa. He's the guy that's been hanging out with us. I know you haven't really seen him, but we're going to try to get him on camera. All right, but I just wanted to take a minute to thank him. I haven't thanked him in the actual video, so we just want to put a little thanks there for Kevin. If you like one of the RVs that you've seen here and you're in the Port St. Lucie area and you're stopping at La Mesa, ask for Kevin. He'll help you out. It's got Westlake tires. Let's go look at the numbers. Here's the other side of that front storage. And here's the numbers. There you go. Now this has, well, they're not in there, but that is a dual 30-pound tanks. Typically with an RV this small, you'd see 20-pounders, but it's already got 30-pound tanks there. And it's got an electric jack. All right, so let's go inside. All right, now remember, this is a Micro Minnie, so it's going to be really compact. So the first thing when you come in is you notice there's the bed. And remember we were talking about the storage underneath? This is what it was. It's underneath the bed. Now there is a door here to give you access to the storage from the front. Okay, it does have a curtain if you want a little bit of privacy, which is nice. Okay, and right across from this is your TV. I was going to say TV. This is your dinette. Okay, and as you see, there's a little piston down there on the little angle brackets there that's holding it up. This will convert into another bed, so you can sleep a couple people in the main bed. Two small kids or maybe one adult there, but it's also got bunks in the back, which we'll get to in just a minute, okay? As you see, there's some storage up here above the dining table, okay? And I didn't point it out, but there's also storage above the bed, so it's pretty deep in there. So that's where you put your clothes. Now, I do not, well, there he is. There's a little TV there across from the banquette, so if you're sitting there, you can watch some TV. Now, for a small RV, for a small travel trailer, it's got a pretty darn big sink. Look at the size of that. Now, these are cutting boards. So you can cut directly on here. What's also nice is when you're not using the sink and you put them in there, it gives you more countertop space. Now this does have a traditional glass top 3-burner RV stove. Okay, and as you see down here, there is no oven. It's just all storage down here. I mean, there's actually quite a lot of storage in this kitchen compared to some others. Pretty good storage. It's pretty deep down there too. You've got pull-out drawers. Place for your sponge and stuff. And your drawers. All right, it's got a little mini microwave. And then your stove. No, it's not a stove. It's a refrigerator. Now, I believe this is the 12-volt variety, right? So, or is this a propane type? Let's get a close-up look. So this will work on propane or electric, and it does automatic switch. Now, as I was mentioning to you from the outside, here's some bunks. Now, they're nice and long. They're really deep, okay? But they're not too wide, okay? As you can see, it's got a weight limit of 250 pounds. So this would probably more be made for, smaller adults or kids. And again, there's a bottom bunk down there as well, okay? Just so you know, there's a charging station up there, which is great. Let's see, okay? There is your AC control, all right? And here's the bathroom, right? So you know what that means, right?
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, so the tall man actually fits in this bathroom. Now this is a plastic toilet all the way, foot flush. It's not porcelain, it's plastic all the way. But there's enough room. I mean, when I close the door, I could actually put my feet outside the door. Not sure if you heard me talking, but because the door doesn't go all the way to the ground, it actually allows some space for my feet since I'm a tall guy. So we're gonna give this a... All right. Now the shower, however, the shower is a different story. Come on in here, Lisa. Let me climb in the shower. The shower is going to present some problems, all right? I'm not sure if the camera's showing this, but I cannot stand up in here. I'm actually crouched down. I'm in the bubble, and yeah, you see how my knees are bent? I just, this shower is not meant for the tall people, so we're going to have to... Now also, there's no sink here in the bathroom. There's no room for it. And so you're gonna have to use the kitchen sink for washing your hands after you use the restroom. There's also, for you ladies out there, there's no mirror. There's no medicine chest, right? And so these are just a few little things that are not there. So again, all in all, not bad. If you're a tall guy like I am, this is not going to be the right fit for you. If you're vacationing with the family a week, 2 weeks out of every year, this would be a great investment because you're not in it that much time. But if you're tall like me, you're not going to be happy with this one. Well, we hope you like this model. If you do, you know what to do. Smash that big thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to bring you more RVs. We're going to keep on bringing you on our journey to buying our new RV. And so until we see you again, be safe.